Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Picnic surprise. Tex and Indi's grandparents were visiting. Indi and Poppy were getting a picnic lunch ready.
"If you'll spread the peanut butter, I'll spread the jelly,"
said Indi. "Now that's my idea of teamwork," said Poppy. "What else should we bring?"
"Maybe some apples,"
said Indi.
"and some baby carrots and the cookies Gran and Tex baked."
Once everything was in the basket, Poppy said, "Oops, we can't forget this." He showed Indi a toy he'd found at the magic store. It looked like a can of nuts. But when Poppy opened the lid, a purple pretend snake sprang out.
"That's a good trick,"
Indi said with a giggle.
"Gran and Tex will be so surprised."
Indi, Poppy, Gran, and Tex walked to the park. Soon everyone was enjoying the delicious lunch. When they had finished eating, Indi said,
"Poppy, don't you want some nuts?"
"Yes, I do," said Poppy with a twinkle in his eye. "Could you please hand me some from that can, Tex?"
"Sure,"
said Tex. He opened the can and out popped the snake.
"Oh!"
Tex and Gran jumped back in surprise, and then everybody laughed and laughed.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.